Fortnite's the best game, yeah.
The game is free and
It has different games.
you can play with other people.
It has a lot of skins. And it's a fun game. You can buy V-Bucks. With the V-Bucks, you can buy skins, pickaxes, and back blings, and even emotes. Yeah.
You can use different consoles to play the game.
Different chapters and different seasons.
Your friends can gift you.
You can edit builds. It has 100 people in each game. And you can play tournaments to earn money.
You can make maps in creative.
You can earn XP by playing maps. There's different glitches.
There's rare skins.
You can reach different ranks. You can make your own name to use online.